Do you want ready to use morning assembly news headlines to read or present in your school morning assembly? Then subscribe to our channel and press that bell button to get notified daily with genuine news headlines video from our channel. Do check daily between morning 7 a.m. to 7:30 a.m. for a readily made video on news headlines specially made for morning assemblies. So let's get started. First, students' introduction lines. Say like this: Good morning, everyone. Here are today's important news headlines. Next, national news. The Union government has stated that India's pharmaceutical industry is expected to double in size over the next 5 years, driven by innovation, global partnerships, and expanding global market opportunities. International news. OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT, has filed paperwork for a future stock market listing. The company said it has not yet decided on the timing of the public offering. Next, business news. The Indian rupee and government bonds showed strength after new measures announced by the Reserve Bank of India (RBI) to encourage foreign investment and support capital inflows into the country. Next, sports news. India defeated Bangladesh 3-1 to win the SAFF Women's Championship 2026 title, ending a 7-year wait and securing a record 6th championship victory. Next, climate news. India Meteorological Department (IMD) has reported that the southwest monsoon has advanced into more parts of Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and Telangana, bringing widespread rainfall and relief from summer heat. If you do watch this video till now, I'm sure that you found this video really useful. Please do subscribe to our channel to get daily news headlines, and please press that bell button and like this video as your encouragement so that it reaches more students.